my loves, welcome back to my channel Twinkling Stars Astro. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. If you have yet not subscribed, please click the bell button down below and subscribe my channel for the regular updates. This channel is all about the occult sciences, your weeklies, your monthlies, readings of your relationship, your careers and everything. Alright, so stay tuned with me. This is a general reading for my Sagittarians, alright, so it might resonate with you, it might not resonate with you, so don't get hard pressed on yourself if it doesn't resonate with you, as it is a general reading, alright. Do leave a comment into the comment section down below and suggestions if any, alright. I'm open for the personal readings also as of now, so the connecting me through WhatsApp or through the email ID is given below into the description box. You can go and see there. And let's see what do we have for our Sagittarians for this coming week from this Tuesday till coming Monday. For this Tuesday till coming Monday. For this Tuesday till coming Monday. All right. Alright Sagittarians, at the bottom of the deck I am having the Hierophant. Alright, so let's see what do we have. Health is very much fine, nothing to worry about. Even rather I am feeling over here that you're getting over from a disease or some kind of a disturbance into your health from this World card. Alright, so healthy week ahead, nothing to worry about, alright. And if you're still suffering from something, this week will be fine, you will be getting over from that, alright. Coming towards your finances are problematic Sagittarians this week with this Moon card, alright. Somebody is trying to cheat you with your finances, alright. So please invest carefully and do think about your expenditures before you really spend them, alright, because you might get cheated. I'm again saying a caution for you that you might get cheated, alright. Coming at your workplace is treating you well with this with this 4 of Wands, the 11 of cards, the celebration is there, your workplace is going very well, nothing to worry about, alright, so just enjoy the workplace this week, Sagittarians, alright. Coming your relationships with this 2 of Pentacles, you're juggling with something. You're juggling with some decisions. If you're a single, might be 2 people are there for you, on which you need to choose that, okay, which was the right person to get ahead with, all right. Or maybe in a married decision, if you're already married, there's some decision between you and your partner on which you are juggling, or might you juggle into something, all right. So just take care of that. The situation, the challenge for you this week is that you're walking away from something. You're getting emotionally disconnected with something, all right. Maybe a third party situation. Maybe you're getting emotionally disconnected from your partner considering it a third party situation. So you might find out that, your partner, or maybe, there's an extramarital affair or something like that, which is not a good news for you Sagittarians, all right. So this is a challenge, challenging week. Alright, or maybe you find it, though I am seeing a workplace as a happy one, nothing to worry about. Maybe you feel at your finances because finances is what I'm not feeling good. You might walk out, saying ki now the money is gone or the money has stuck. Now anything cannot be done. Alright, and some third person is going to harm you with this 3 of Cups. Alright, so take care. So take care for this week, Sagittarians. The final outcome is the 10 of Pentacles with this Death card. That means a new beginning is definitely stated. All right, something will end up and something new will begin. All right, so might be you end a relationship, or you might end a marriage and get into the new one. This is what I'm indicated. Or you might able to handle the situation of the finances quite well. All right, but in the end, the victory is yours. What I'm seeing, a new beginning is what I'm seeing over here. All right. So let me see what is another message from the universe that the universe wants to give you. Okay, wow, the beautiful, the sun. All right, sun is shining above you, nothing to worry about. You know, you will overcome all the troubles you're going to face in this week regarding your finances or maybe in your relationship. A beautiful card. So, you know, overall nothing to worry about. So just take it easy and just sail through. All right, and let me see what is the final outcome for you. Let me see what is the final outcome for you. Wow, the Garud, the carrier of Vishnu. All right, this is the final message for you. Devotion to the God, the blessings given by Garud is protection from snakes, security while traveling, improved ability to serve God. So please be cautious. Again, a cautious is given by Lord Garud over here. Snakes bites for this week. Be protected from the snakes around. All right, again I'm telling you. And if you're traveling from one place to another place, be careful, you know, because COVID is around the corner. All right, so traveling might you know, let you face the consequences. So please take care. While traveling, you might face an accident or something like that. All right, the final message, the final prayer for you is, O Garud, the son of Vinita, you fly through the skies carrying Shri Vishnu on your back. O king of the birds, I offer salutations to you, the eater of the snakes. All right, so that is the final message for you, my beautiful Sagittarians. I hope this resonates with you. Do leave a comment into the comment section down below and see you next week. Bye bye.